I've never been normal in my life. Never. Even in my family, they'll tell you, I've never been normal. Isangoma mina bengisizwa noma ngabe si 5 streets away. Ngizwe nje ngebhobo ukuthi hayi kuzovela umuntu oyisangoma so but I couldn't understand ukuthi kwenzakalani nabangitshele ekhaya. Abantu got into a space sobungoma abanye babo bengathwasanga. People don't understand the importance yokuthwasa for sonke isigaba sempilo, not just ubungoma. Ukuthwasa kuyisinto.
Thokozani, I am Paul Wabadimu, the gift of the gods, and welcome to another episode of Thokoza Gogo podcast. This is where we dive down into the most sacred and the lighter conversation in our spiritual world. On today's episode, we are going to be sitting with somebody who I've been waiting to talk to since our first episodes, but I'm happy that it's happening now. I believe in the divine timing, and assisting us going into these deep conversations, we are doing it while sipping on a little bit of AC wine. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and do leave your comments down below. Most of all, share as much as you can, because Thokoza podcast, you know, man, we go down, we heal you, we heal ourselves, and we give the vibes. So do the right thing. Without wasting more of your time, can we get into it? Can I get a yes? Yes, that's a yes. Mkhulu? No, ngicela leya intro leya ku TikTok. Yeah, the name of Africa. Mkhulu, welcome to the podcast. First of all, please introduce yourself to our viewers at home, to people who don't know you, because we skim some la payana on the socials, but our viewers at home do not know you. So can we get into that?
Ngithokoze ngibingelele kubabukeli ekhaya. Lokhuluma kongiphila nkulo wase-Israel eKatlehong. Indoda yathwaza le yaliphuza yaliphalaze mina libalela amankinga nabhekile. Yagijimisa abafazi ngamadoda yashisa. Ya le ndoda yakhula ngegaba zikamoya, yakhula ngegaba. Yabe sele ndoda iyathwasisa, ngene esigabeni sokuthwasisa iba ugobele bayinyanga. Yangena nasesigabeni siyithabathi ikhoma zebugedla. Ina futhi le ndoda le yangena nasezintweni zesonto, of which esinye isigaba esongenelela kuso diphanyana kancane. But I strongly believe akusiko konke esikungeniswa idlozi ekufanele ukuthi sihlale kuko, okunye singenele ukuyofunda nokubona, okunye siyo experience ezinye zezinto. So ngiyabonga invitation yanamhlanje, njengoba ungimemile ukuthi njengoba besishito nasecaleni off camera ukuthi we just gonna tell it like it is. Asifihle lutho, but ngaphandle kwezinto engafanele abanye abantu bazazi. There's been so much misrepresentation of abangoma nokulaphi bendabuko nje on socials, so much so silahlekelwe sithunzi, and we are now feeling a bit inferior of other practices with spirituality, because now we've lost our identity. We've lost the essence of who we really are. But now on this episode, I so wish we can go as deep as making abangoma out there to understand how precious and how deep Isiphiwo Sabo is, you know. And what I'm liking now is because interview uza wethu, you understand. So konke sobe sikhuluma lo kuzobe kungasimampungu, kube kuyinto ekuyiyona. Uyangibona, Thokoza.
Mkhulu Magwandi, thank you so much for that. Mkhulu, asicale la. I want to understand a bit of your background a bit, ukuthi ingulo yakho for somebody obukele, because sonke sicala ngengulo, but wena umuntu ojulile, so I'd like you just to unpack ukuthi ingulo yakho ikuthathe yakubekaphi, and then from what point did you realize ukuthi yazini something is wrong and ngidinga usizo, and this is who I am?
Yeah, no, mina mine I can say iqale vele from when I was born, because I've never been normal in my life. Never. Even in my family, they'll tell you, I've never been normal. But to ukshaya lapho nalapho, la khona kakhulu into yami iqala ukubonakala kakhulu, it's when mangizovela umlilo wabaphasi. Umlilo wabaphasi mangivela, I was in grade 5 if not 6. Right. So ekhaya ngikhulele ku family house. So we would have this culture yokuthi ngama weekend ngiyolala kamamkhulu.
Okay.
So my dad passed on when I was a year old, and then my mom had to come back nami from ekhaya kubaba azongikhulisela kuboma.
Okay.
So now what happens? Ekhaya ugogo bekomthandazeli. So ngiphuma vele ekhaya kubaba wami vele abantu bemimoya vele ngokuhlukahlukana. So now was it grade 5 or grade 6? I'm not sure there. So ngiyovakasha kamamkhulu. This one morning I wake up in something like a blister. Yeah, and then inkulumo kukhulunywa kuthiwe no ngathi ngilunywe ispider ebusuku. Nami ngithathe kanjalo ispider mara ngimangala ispider siphuma happy like you know, but the way lento beyibukeka ngakhona beyi1 nje i-red la on my waist. Iqale lento, it was on a Sunday. Monday mele ngesikolweni sezaqala izinto ziyamila kuba ngathi ama shingles, you know, yeah, kuba ngathi sabhandenyana manje lento each and every day ngathi iloku iyanda. So someone says no lento ngathi ibhande, and manje ibhande molihlikihla vele maliphuma lobovu bakhona loku liyanda. Then luckily enough my mom began medical aid, so she took me to a doctor, and there was this one time because this thing every time banginike medication makuphela medication iqala pants, you know, and bengayi esikolweni kahle, you know, I couldn't go to school. Ipain lento leya it was just unbearable. Angazi ngizoyicompare nani. So at that time isifo lesi HIV, I'm not being judgmental and whatnot. So people ama shingles was
associated with yes.
So this one doctor I mean grade 5 or grade 6 say uthi kumamami no aphume ngaphandle, he wants to have a conversation with me, you know. Yeah, I think you can tell where it's going. So have you been having unprotected sex? I'm like, umuntu ukhuluma ngani? Like I'm so confused. They ran my test, everything was negative. Grade 5, 6. Iyamila lento. And at night, yes, bekungalaleki. Izambulo zakhona bekunzima nje. So at school I would go 2-3 days. 2-3 days. And then kwenzeka ukuthi man ekhaya sebayabona lapha kubomama ukuthi no man lento ayikho normal. They take me to ugobela wami lo ngithiwa Sisile. Wangenzela a ritual literally within 3 days. Into engihluphe for like 5 to 6 months ngingayi esikoleni. 3 days it was done. Yaphela yasha yaphela ngicubisa amafutha okhona yaphela ngaba right. Wawucisha lo mlilo. Wangicisha umlilo wabaphansi, but then lapho here's the thing, they're not telling me ekhaya ukuthi wenzani because all these things started ku consultation. Abangitshelanga bengakhishwa mina kwathiwa ngiye ngaphandle ngizongena sengene umntwana mina, you know, ba consult and everything. By the time bangicisha lo mlilo lo I could hear ugobela wamathi mikeleni umntwana aqede isikolo nana, but I click kimi ukuthi
okay
kwenzakalani, you know. Ngibe right ngibe normally njengomntwana, but one thing about me benginokuthi ngihleli esikolweni ngibona ukuthi ekhaya kungena bani isikhathi bani kanjani. It was very weird. And mangifika ekhaya I would ask ukuthi uzibani bani bekakhona, but bekakhona so but ekhaya banake because abanye bebangayazi lento into enengulo edlozi. By that time bekuyinto
engajwayelekanga.
Yeah, man, it's more like ungathi ungenwa ama demon or something like that. But nami angazi ukuthi ibangwa yini. I've never been in line ne-ejam. Angazi ngibe nabangani abalingana nami. Everyone was older, you know, like yonke into njengami. It was strange. Gwaya severe headache now. Severe headache every time mangizobhala ama exam. Elinye ikhanda elinzima ngendlela esimangaliso. Ngiyabuza ekhaya kwenzakalani umamkhulu wami, and she knew, and I would ask her kanti mamkhulu wathi wena ungasezi uzolala la, uyabo. But mina as umntwana ngithatha ukuthi uyangixosha. Hawu yini manje labanye bazokufuna la, you know, angisayika mamkhulu nani. It's very strange lento. Like for me it's weird. And isangoma mina bengisizwa noma ngabe si 5 streets away ngizwe nje ngebhobo ukuthi hayi kuzovela umuntu oyisangoma so but I couldn't understand ukuthi kwenzakalani nabangitshele ekhaya enkulu hayi qine ngempela lento manje kwatholakala ukuthi manje no akusafihleki le ndoda amele itshelwe manje yabona singaphupha but there's something really I'm not comfortable talking about it, but I'm going to talk about it. Maybe it might help someone somewhere.
Okay.
Just to put emphasis ekuthenini idlozi ekugcineni. So there was someone I met along the way owayewumngoma.
Okay.
So mina mayigobela beyangathwasisi at the time mase kuzofika isikhathi ukuthi mina ngithwasi beyangakathwasisi kangako. So now this person had to initiate me. When bekune plan lokuthi mhlambe ngongena lapha na disigobela passes on. Okay, then now it's strange ukuthi kwenzakalani. But we'll talk about the story. It's going to be a build up to something engenye indlela, you know. And then now lo muntu passes on and then kuyisikhathi and then now I'm supposed ukuthi ngene esikhuphini bangikhombe gobela wami vele yonke lento lena ngenze lo msimeto le right ngene ephehlweni and then the journey, that's where it starts. And then now ngiyangena ephehlweni ke manje I know nothing. I don't even know ukuthi njiti minani. Mina bengazi ekhaya mina ugogo wami nabafundisa abaningi engibaziko bathosa ugogo wami. Wayenze into zesonto nje ugogo wami. Futhi nangagogo bengiya ngokuvakasha. It was not something I was very familiar nayo kakhulu. Bengekho close nayo kakhulu. So ngiyangena lapha no ngizitshelani mina 6 days nyana lengule ngiphethe ahayaphola ngiyabuyela empilweni yami. I was very naughty growing up being stoked again bangazi kazi. So I just wanted to go back to my normal life only if I knew. And then ngiyangena lapha ephehlweni mangena. I'm not going to go deep into izinto zephehlo, but just to highlight on some of the things that are known. They are not really a secret. So ngashayelwa laphuma igama Philankulu. Now mina sengimangele manje. Philankulu igama elithini le. And I don't even know namagama obungoma obumanzini abomana. I know nothing. I'm clueless mina. Sesemncane ngingena mina ephehlweni ngiphethwe ibhabhalazi. A lot of people who were there mangizongena they thought lo angeke aqede lo because they knew.
And what age were you then?
I was 18, 19.
Okay.
Yeah. So mangena shayelo Philankulu igama elithini leli angazi ngihlangane namuntu owuBhilankulu angazi like I know nothing enobuBhilankulu phakathi. All I knew mina ukuthi kabo mama Zulu.
Okay.
Kabo baba mama Zulu, you know. Oh okay. Manje le gama seliqhamuka phi? Ugobela wami bengimazi mina ngegama lakhe lenyama. I didn't know ukuthi isibongo sakhe uBhilamlangeni. So ngiyashayelwa mina igama loBhilankulu yena isibongo sakhe edlozini wakaBhilamlangeni. Strange now lento ukuthi like, and to be quite honest mina no gobela wami he was more of a father figure even before ngangena ephehlweni because ekungicisheni kwakhe umlilo bekayinyanga yaka mama. I can put it like that. So nami bekangikhulisa, we had that bond even before ngithwasa, you know. So yaqala ke lapho indaba wasuka uMbhilankulu. After that kuba izambulo zokuthi legama lisuka kuphi kahle we are not Zulu, kabo mama ko they are not Zulu, kabo baba ko they are not Zulu, this is where we come from, this is this.
So much information overload.
Fike ke indaba ukuthi okay la kahle kusho ukuthi angazi bengizophenya or bengizokwenzani ngomlando wasekhaya. But very strange, I felt like I belonged there. I went through iphehlo, one of the hardest phehlos I've ever seen. Those who knew indlela thina sathwasiswa ngawo, we were militantly trained. Yeah, like that is why ngingale ndlela engingayo when it comes to into zobunyanga, because it was not like something a hobby, like I have a career and something I'm going to stand on and whatnot. You understand? It was something nami yintsha kimi, but everything I'm doing there iyahlangana nami, like connecta nami. Angazi ngani yini, angazi ini yini, but I was so quick, I was so sharp. Ngaqala ukuvunula mina ngakadla intwaso. Sengivunula ngigida abantu abadala, and I don't know if even now they still do it, but it was the first time even many people saw it, because being sharp kakhulu, and this thing was new to me. Everything bengiyenza ngepatient, because yonke into ebengiyithinta ehlangene nobungoma beresonate nami. You know, ngazakhela igama khona lapho, ngazakhela igama. It was not nice, but hey, looking now, it was worth it. It was worth it kakhulu, because ephehlweni I didn't just learn ngobungoma. I learned ukuziphatha, I learned discipline. Before ngene ephehlweni, I couldn't start something and finish it. So iphehlo langifundisa ukuqala into ngiqede. I was not a very social person. Mina bengasumuntu abantu nje inhlobo. So as ngisephehlweni isconsult abantu senzana, I started to learn interact nabantu and all of those things. Kushanyela ibala and other domestic duties ngawafunda ephehlweni, because everything we did there, it was principled. We were besitshelwa senze besingena say, and we didn't deem it as abuse. You know, mina I took it as a learning curve, because lento yintsha kimi. You know, I was quick, I was fast. Yonke into bengenza fast. Many people were like, "Hello, mela shesha phuma ephehlweni," but my Kobula didn't do that. He didn't do that. Ngaphuma mina ekhaya 14 March. Indumba yami yavulwa 14 March, and it was not planned. It's those abanememory ukuthi no man, lo muntu lo ngedate so wangena ephehlweni, kodwa ngedate so kwavuleka indumba yakhe. I stayed 1 full year ephehlweni. Ngaphuma mina ngikwazi ukufasa sigubhu, ayikho into enobungoma nje ngizothi mhlambe khona la bexeka khona. I won't lie, we were militantly trained. Gobela makangena kuyahlehla, yafihlwa. Bangena ikhulani kuyahlolwa, imithi yagandwa, yonke into ayenza imithetho besilandela njengoba injalo, but umvuzo uyabonakala kunzima, but umvuzo wakhona uyabonakala, yabona. And then the okunye sokuxoxa makuya isikhathi.
You touched on something that is very important. I think also that that is happening ngokuthwasa ne. I always say there's a thin line between the training and the abuse. I feel like in this inyanga lezakudala azisekho ezisabambe lo mthetho wokutraina, because training it's character building. You touched on so many things here, but it's character building that I'm hearing. But now, in your space where you stand in, from where uthwase khona till today, what do you think has changed? Or are you comfortable with the changes, or do you still feel like ubungoma yinto, you know, how do you view ubungoma, where you stand from where you come from?
Mina, I think if you yam ubungoma will never change. It will always be something that's precious and sacred because of the background, the training engitholi. However, for me, izinto esezenzeka manje, it's because of social problems now that comes in social media and all of those things. So now, into esuke yayenzeka, abantu got into a space sobungoma abanye babo bengathwasanga. So the depth yobungoma firstly abayas. And there's too much misdiagnosis ebungomeni, because people are running away from amanyama problems wempilo that they need to face, and then they just blame it to issues. You understand? And for me, now ubungoma will always remain precious and sacred because of the understanding engayiniwa yona. Into engayibala kokuqala, abantu abaningi they baskip ama stage. Ebungomeni kunama stage, ekuthwaseni kunama stage, nasempilweni kunama stage. People don't understand the importance yokuthwasa for sonke isigaba sempilo, not just ubungoma. Ukuthwasa kuyisinto asikubeka nje, ngoba ngisho sesibelekweni sika mama wakho usukuthwasa, ngoba kunama first trimester and all of those stages, and wonke nama stages eza nama problems wakhona nama challenges wakhona. Once amanzi sewechitheka, umntwana sekephuma, kusho ukuthi sekaphothulile intwaso yakhe sesibelekweni sika mama, sekangena kuphi emhlabeni. Nasentwasweni kunjalo, ngoba senza zonke izinto, sidle amagobongo, sidle intwaso, senzeni bese siphothule emanzini. Lento yobungoma kufanele ukuthi ngempela nginesizathu why ngikhuluma lento. Kufanele ukuthi so understandisa siqondisise ngokweqiniso nobuyona bayo, ngokubuka imvelo, hayi iBhayibheli, hayi nemfundiso zencwadi. Lento yobungoma abantu bayithathe futhi bayidilute ne-Western culture, bayidilute neBhayibheli, and then it got confused. Now amadlozi imimoya it's angazi moya bathi iphuma iwe kuphezulwini.
Yeah, fallen angels.
Fallen angels,
Yeah.
of which it's not true. Into yokuqala asichaze lento. You know, the reason why when you lose your identity, it's because of knowledge of self. You cannot defend yourself. You will feel inferior because you don't. Awunawo umgogodlo walento oyiyo but uyayibona yaphila kuwo. Into yokuqala asinayo thina into ekuthiwa ingilosi esintwini. The term ingilosi igama mboleko it comes from angel. Akuseyithi asinayo angel sinedlozi.
Thokoza.
So today people will deem the angel ngathi superior than idlozi, and then you laugh with actually lento ukhuluma ngayo. It's
the same thing.
It's this thing. You understand? Because isibongo nesibongo sinobukhosi baso. And lo bukhosi abuhlali kunoma ubani. Angithi idlozi it's heightened intelligence. Umoya lento le. Ngoba asibuke kanje. Angithi ngithi lento sibuke ngokwemvelo. Singayibuki nje ngokuthi ubungoma kuphela. Ngokwemvelo kukhona ihlobo. Kukhona ubusika bese kube khona intwasa hlobo, meaning nemvelo iyawuthwasa umoya. Umoya masowushintsha ngentwasa hlobo, imvelo yathwasa, izihlahla ziyahlubuka, nezilwane ziyahlubuka, yonke into iyafa ukuze maseqala ihlobo lithwasa bese kuba nempilo entsha. That's why siya entwaseni ngoba kufanele kufe lo wakudala kuvuke lomusha. Masithatha lento mangathi uyayibukisisa silahlele lapha Christianity, who are the true born agains? Buku umthetho weshoba. Umthetho weshoba masu interpret. Umthetho oyingcwele ogavuna abangoma. Akukho emthethweni weshoba la kuthiwa khona thakatha umuntu. La kuthiwa khona bulala umuntu. La kuthiwa khona ntshontshelwa umuntu. Cha, umthetho nje oyingcwele wokufundisa umuntu ukuthi akufe loya okudala kuvuke lo. That's why abantu you it's easy to tell umuntu manganobizo noma nganalo bizo ngokuyiphatha nje kwakhe. Ngokuyiphatha nje kwakhe ngoba idlozi lomoya akekho futhi ayikho into engaphezulu kwedlozi la emhlabeni. That's why ngithi abantu ababe sober of Christianity, because Christianity teaches us ukuthi one man one vote.
Yeah.
One God, one man. If not this, then it's demonic. Then it becomes a whole problem now. Mawuqala uyimix. But mayibuke true essence ukuthi umuntu onobizo lobungoma umuntu othwalisa ubukhosi basekhaya kubo.
Thokoza mkhulu.
Ngoba lo moya ukwazi ukuthwasisa ngisho imvelo.
Injalo.
Umoya uyathwaswa. Nasepostoli bayazi. That's why first week or second week ithwaswa. Bayazi ukuthi umoya uyathwaswa. Awuhlala nje emntwini. So manje ngokunga understand leyo engelo yobungoma, it becomes a problem. Yabona. Mele futhi siphinde sihlukanise idlozi nethonga azifani lezinto. We limit ubuthina bethu to what actually it's not. Abantu abaningi bathi sithwasa bogogo nabomkhulu abaxoshwa ngazi kuphi ezulwini, so babuya bazohlala kithi
ngoba bazohlala kwa.
If ngabe besithwasa abogogo nabomkhulu, why umngoma angavumelekanga ethulweni? Ngoba bogogo nabomkhulu basemathuneni. Why singayi emathuneni? Abayazi lento abasiniki ithuba siyikhulumele thina sibanike umnyumbo nomgogodlo walento. Umuntu omngoma umuntu omkhulu kabi. Umuntu omkhulu kabi. That's why nezizwe namasonto bangabafuni akusingoba bengcolile, ingoba abantu abaphathiswe imfihlakalo. Ingaka abanye abanolwazi lwemithi bagcine bakhanda izinto ezizokwazi ukubayenza ukuthi babe ngathi abangoma. Bafuna lemfihlo yobungoma. Imfihlo yobungoma yikho ekuthwaleni. The reason why namhlanje abantu ba create angijudge angixiki. Nathi sikhona ebugedleni siyayithaka imithi nanana. Izizwe kuze zibe khona zakhandelwa ngoba lo muntu onedlozi lo omngoma kungana kwazi ukubona izinto ezingabonwa abanye abantu.
So nami
ngiyayifuna lento. Angiqale nami ngithake mangathatha ukuthi nokuthi nazizizwe. Ungamthatha umuntu owumngoma onedlozi obhula ngedlozi nomuntu obhula ngezizwe abafani labantu.
Injalo.
Lo wezizwe ngakutshela ngisho isibongo sakho, akutshela iID number yakho, but mase kufika la kufanele akusithe khona dololo. But lo nedlozi ukwazi ukungena kulento ngoba angithi lo moya le moya sithwasako singeke sichaze imoya sithwasako in detail. Ivumela thina ukuthi sixhumanise abangasekho nabaphilako. Usho ukuthi through thina siyakwazi ukuthi ufikile uzigogo uzibani bakibo bathini ngaye. Bese interpretela ukuthi no inkinga la isuka khona isuka emsamo kunjena konakala la kwaba kanje. Umuntu afika phahla izinto zilungeke phambili. So lento yobungoma fanele abantu ba understand ukuthi inkulu kangakanani eindabeni zesinguni mangabe kufundwa iweather lapha kuthiwa izangoma
zezulu
why
shaya
akusi mistake leyo bakutshela abantu bemedia ukuthi umuntu owumngoma umuntu onjani akusi umuntu ongcolile lo ya kuyenzeka imoya engcolile imembathi that's why sithwasa siyodla amagobo sigezo
renewal hayi nginawe ngikhula udeshe lapho lento ijule kakhulu yazi mkhulu on top of lokho kuchazayo you've just opened another conversation ayenza ukuthi umuntu abukelelana as awumngoma as understand kangcono ukuthi ubani ne role yakhe in the society. However, izangoma mkhulu ziningi more than umsebenzi lona futhi ukuyenziwa. Ngombono wakho njengoba uthi abantu are misdiagnosed, do you think there can be a room to ukuthi si rectify lento leyo or sindlulele lento mayisale nje iyekwa kubhedwe nje kuyo phambili because cabanga usuye emntwini omisdiagnosed ukuthi unedlozi like usiza lukho you understand ukuthi the line of healing has been disturbed manje because lo muntu udinga usizo and sometimes it's just a mess. So do you think where you're standing, can it be redirected? Is there still room for improvement in that department?
Absolutely. And it's very simple. It all lies in unity. Yabangoma abadala naba middle naba sisibasha.
Okay.
We unite. We speak about these things privately. Sikhuzane sisodwa. It's doable. It's doable.
Oh.
But sometimes it becomes a bit of a challenge because abanye abantu balithanda ubizo. Uzobathini?
Ngaqala ngemgidini sengiyathanda
angithi
mara ungabi nendumba gida ufly ngama tente that's it.
It's tough but iyalungiseka wona mntwana edlozi yabona ngoba into engiyazi ngedlozi la isefela. I'll make an example eyenzekile abantu bonke bebukile. Bakhona abantu who were representing us as abangoma on socials, right? Where are they now? And we want them. What is this thing? Is
yes, safer yona ngokwayo.
You understand? And idlozi the way I said it's heightened intelligence. The way lihlakaniphe ngakhona liyakwazi ukuthi lisondeza abantu abanganalo ubizo. Lizokwenza example ngabo ukuthi nina nobizo kuzoba kanje. I once spoke on TikTok last year. Ngithi mina kuzoba nobhubhane lwezangoma. Ezinamacala nezinganamacala kakhulu yoshona abogobela abathulile bangakhuluma. Bashona belandelana kanje. Bashona belandelana kanje ngoba idlozi beseliyibonakalisa lona ukuthi kahle kahle kuyonakala nithulile. And there was so much judgment kimi and what's nice now they are best improvers now, but there was so much judgment kimi ukuthi ngikhuluma kakhulu and what and then I told them ukuthi now it's time labantu bayenzani bazisefela but at some point yonke into
izohamba ngeline
izoba right and right now I'm a bit impressed because ne dust nyana seyisuka-sukile man seyisuka-sukile
nomoya nyana fresh
yazenzela lento idlozi afuna
ithwaso lomoya injalo
angithi abangoma enye as create content siyakhuluma
hayi mkhulu thina
abangoma abaningi abasadla ukudla kwedlozi manje shall we find a fund into asayisekho that's another problem. Baningi abaphiwe baningi aba-inclined but badludaka intwaso. There's what we call intwaso. That tree is called intwaso for a reason but I'm not going to explain ukuthi but just to ukuyendlala and lesa sihlahla sine behavior sazo ngama seasons. Now yonke into any season sathwasisa any day sathwasisa noma kunjani siyathwasisa sijahele nje ukuqeda umsebenzi kanti akumelanga kube njalo yila izinye zezinto zibuye zilahleke khona. I think into so izinto ezibalekile ukuthi as-organizeane siqoqane sitshela amaqiniso and then sibuyele elayinini.
Ngikhuluma nje ukucocana lokho kunokunyatsana kakhulu khona asikhona ukuhlala because mina idlozi lami likhulu wena lakho lincane like lokunyatsana lobu toxic lobu mina ngithwasise kakhulu wena mele uguqele mina like I think lento leyo unobangela ukuthi singakwazi ukuhlala because inkinga sithathe into yethu sayenza inkolo yesonto ukuthi kunama position kanti lana befuze sazi ukuthi siphila kanje siyakhisana siyaphilisana uyabona uma mhlambe mina la ngingakhona khona ngiyakwazi ukuthi awundlule lapha umkhulu ubhila akwazi ukuthi akulekelele kanje but mina ngifuna ukwenza yonke into ngifuna ukuyiqala ngiyiqede ngiyivule futhi ngiyivale mkhulu siyenza kanjani konke lokho because I see you have Metho. How are you approaching this when in the space is funa ukuba bakhulu sonke? How are you approaching that?
Yeah, that's a brilliant question because young as I am, kumetho sinabadala, sinabancane, sinabamiddle. So it's a bit of a challenge when it comes to lento kuyikhukhumeza kwenyanga. Mina I always study a character yabantu to say there's no need for me to prove myself to the next person ukuthi I'm powerful if really I am powerful. Yonke into iqala ngaphakathi emntwini. I don't really entertain much abantu aba arrogant and pompous. Abafuna kuba yinkosi ngaphezulu kwabanye abantu. It becomes a bit of a problem for me and an analysis to say lo muntu khona into azama ukuyifihla.
Yeah.
Ayikho into ethi mina ngingahloniphi ozemva kwami. Ayikho into ethi ngingahloniphi lo zaphambili ngoba into yokuqala umgogodla wesintu nje phandle kobungoma wesintu inhlonipho. And inhlonipho ayikho ekutheneni omdala mele adelele omncane kube kanjani ayikho lento leyo ne training nemfundiso esizithola la sithwase khona it's another problem ukuthi if abantwana wena ubathwasisa kubafundisa ukuthi wena uwinya ngenkulu kunazo zonke inyanga that's the attitude they gonna carry. Remember ngokomoya lomuntu umbulele when they get reborn baba pompous vele because that's the attitude abayifunde from you. So now la kumetho I'm very much impressed even nangalabantu abadala abajoinile kumetho they are open for ama discussions nama critics we have our own group and we don't certify thina kumetho without siku workshop because you first need to understand umthetho weshoba you need to know umthetho weshoba to the core. You need to know a constitution yemetho to the core because it's not too far from umthetho weshoba umthetho nje ugavuna abangoma with an understanding ukuthi we live under a systemic governance. And there's nothing we can do. There's nothing we can do because if we don't involve ourselves kule system, bazoshaya imithetho. That's why namhlanje kuneinyanga esingazazi izivumbuka apha ezingathwasanga abanye bayathwasa because we are not within the system. We need a council, we need an organization, but angabi maningi so that singene ku system and then benefit economically. Because there's a lot of economy benefita abanye abantu abangabona bangoma bangabona belaphi bendabuko because they saw an opportunity. So now kumetho we are trying to close that gap. Ukuthi some of the misbehaviors wabangoma nabalaphi bendabuko it's because of hunger. They are not uplifted. They are not uplifted economically. They are not uplifted skills wise. I understand. So now there's social media. It's indlela elula ukuthi nami ngakhona ukubeka
It's a cheat code.
We understand.
Yeah.
So now we're saying instead of doing that as organizers and have a proper system ezokavunwa kahle ukuthi who's supposed to market themselves, who's supposed to do ama teachings ku social media, who's supposed to do this. Umuntu oneminyaka less than 5 athwasile ufundisana ngedlozi ngoba nawe usadinga ukukhuliswa content yani eyani
at the river.
You understand? So izinto ezinjalo la kumetho esizenza ukuthi systematically we are trying to unite abangoma with an understanding ukuthi siphila under a systemic governance. Then ndaba ukuthi mina idlozi lami alifuni inwe understand esigodlweni sakho but the reality here abangoma balambile and the people abangathwasanga benefiting. Ungayizula eGauteng yonke le 80% ama multi shops are not owned by abalaphi bendabuko.
And imithi mkhulu while you're touching on that alone nje asibuke nje the muti industry as take Faraday as an example, it's $1 billion industry liana. It's making money and most of it is not regulated. And there are people that are also trading ezinye izinto ezingeke sizikhulumelana but illegally. So all these things lazy imetho yona mayingena izongena kanjani. I need to understand the strategy for if I'm watching at home ngisangoma I'm like hey mkhulu akuna structure, I need a structure. What is Metho going to do for me if I sign up today?
If you sign up today, Gumeto, we were going to have a lecture at Albertine.
Okay.
We are going to have a lecture where we are going to teach Abangoma. First things first, I need to put this. We don't have a permanent council as Abalapi Bendabuko. It's an interim structure, THPC. As far as I know, I stand to be corrected if maybe some things have changed. So now, as a matter, we are saying, sifuna ukuqoqa bonke Abalapi Bendabuko, and then first have a database, yabantu abalegit, and then form a business within Imeto, create our own economy within Imeto that will circulate around Abalapi Bendabuko. Firstly, if remember Emeto, why would you go yothenga izinto zentwaso emakuleni when there is someone who can actually trade within Abalapi Bendabuko? So we self-regulate Tina. If the government can't do it for us, we do it for ourselves. We create a society of our own because already we are a society of our own. We have been marginalized for so long. That's why we feel inferior because no one takes us serious. But at some point, we need to be truthful about it. Abastati serious because basile and also ne behavior yetu. Because we don't want to involve ourselves and accept the fact that ikati ishinchile. And ubungoma has been not umthetho, not ubudlozi abushintshe. Umthetho eshoba ushintshe. But impilo yashintsha. Bebagqoka ikhumba, ba evolve abagqoka amabhayi. So now we are under governance. Ayikho into wrong ngoku-adapt to a system esuke ikhona. These people who are hijacking the economy too, they understood that very well. So abangoma abayeke lento mani ageism. And not bonke abangoma baphiwa ukuthi bahole. Ubungoma bunabile. Lapha ubungoma I always say mina if you are given an opportunity, ubungoma bune enforcement. Kune medicine, kune nursing, kune security, kuna yonke into ubungoma bu fast.
Know your place.
You understand? You understand? So now everyone wants to twasisa. Everyone wants to
ilento engisho omkhulu ukuthi sekwenziwe inkolo ukuthi the end goal ukuthi ube ugobela ugqala wamathwasa lana kubhodla abantwana abashise ilanga kanti there's a lot that because amongst within ubungoma we see Zangoma, there's a human inside. We have skills, we have talents, we have this and that. Wow, this is so interesting. So, Gule, how old is Meto now?
Meto is just 7 months old.
Oh, but it's doing the most. No, I've been seeing that.
It's according to my analysis. I've been to Intozama organization, and it's the fastest growing organization and the most progressive because. Even I'm a certificate weight, we don't outsource. We've got our own stationery. The only thing we outsource is e-keeper. But everything else. Yeah?
Nes keepers but masola passing with Dr. Mpawadi. Dr. School.
Professor Matambo.
Yeah, Professor Matambo. No. So, Mkulu, usatwasisa namanje?
Yes.
So abantu baseza basakhafakile bazotwasa, or it's already okay. Also, when you understand the seasons, in that. However, umuntu makazotwasa, for someone because he has diagnosed the social media has just killed a lot of things.
Yeah.
Umuntu uya lapha nese symptoms for sangoma, dreaming of snakes, dreaming of water, dreaming of flying. Ese azakuwe. Umuntu umdiagnose kanjani mkhulu ukuthi la lo muntu lona ingulu yakhe uyaqualify ukuthi angene azothwasa?
Ubuza umbuzo obaluleke kamnandi kanjani. When people see you on socials ukhuluma kamnandi, they assume you'd be the perfect gobela to twasisa them. I have received a number of people amanye bazivusisa amadlozi lapha endumbe.
Hayi.
You know, and ngilalela into ukuthi no angeke alunge lo la. Because my knowledge angifuni ukuzenza muhle or kanjani, but I'm speaking my truth. Lempande mina engidlisa ingane zami ngayilobola futhi ngayilanda ehlathini ngomthetho. And once umuntu engenayo lengulo le thina sakhula ngalesikhathi esikhula ngaso into asibeyenza imanga. Umuntu athi makalalile ephehlweni ayenze before into agijelwe imbuzi kube ngathi vele imfaka into ecijile. You know, lezo zinto lezo bezenziwa ukuthi bekudliwa imithi yakhona ekuyiyona yona. Ngeke umuntu onganayo ingulo edluza umdlulise kule yampande le kuyiyona. Uzohamba.
Ngazi kanjalo mkhulu.
Uzohamba. Le manje ngithi impande bayidosa lapha eFaraday. Yabona. By and Friday night siyathenga. But intwaso.
Yes.
No, you can't. Because the question would be, if angithi abantu banemikhuba yabo uzothwasisa intwasi yazilelwa into oqala izilelwa ngisho nalaba obamemile abangoma bebazi ukuthi mangabe ubhile ethwasisa masiya lapha nafanele sizilele lo yamntwana ngoba angahamba ngangabuyi phelela ngalokufa you understand
kwemihlaba.
So now if I go ngiyothenga intwaso lapha eFaraday lo muntu uqeda ukukhipha insebenzo ukubulala umuntu izolo lento ezophalazwa lo mntwana lapha kube sekwenzakalani lapha. That is why uzozwa abantu we feel like I don't like lento yabantu yokuthi babe entitled ukuthi basitshele ukuthi sibehave kanjani senzeni as though they know about us. Yang irritate but at kwelinye side ngike ngibe ngithi bane point.
Okay.
Because izangoma bezizwana kudala. Why bezizwana? Because badla ukudla okukodwa, badla ukudla okuyikona. Mawuqhamuka lapha ngishaya uvalo, mawuqhamuka lapha ngiyatamula. Mawuqhamuka ngiyamuzwa lo muntu ukuthi man uyiyo lento le. But okwamanje umuntu nje uyambona ukuthi ipansula nje lazimuvela nje akuzwakala ngoba alidlanga ledlozi alisuthanga. Uyayibona into enjalo. So some people are comfortable with doing that because they know ukuthi vele kudliwa ijoke. Kuphalazwa ngejoke.
And ngizohlala ku TikTok nje ngibe live ngithola ama client.
Yeah, that's it for them. Akusi injula kubo, but it never ends well. According to what I've seen with a lot of people, it never ends well. That's why people now badutshulwa benziwa zonke lezi zinto lezi. Imiza siphuma kuwena amadlozi walemiza awafani.
Exactly.
Ungakwenza kwabanye kodwa kukhona lo zothi ukwenza kuyi. Mina I've trusted people umuntu ngeviki lakhe lentwaso qhamuka bakubo bathi umenzele ini nani. Umnikile ini nani. We understand ukuthi mayinjalo vele nawo so yabona mogobela ukuthi la akusinto okudlala le. That's why mina singaxabana enyameni. Kodwa ngeke kuzwe kuthiwe kunethwasa lami elikhala ukuthi ngalidlisa udodi never. We need to go back and respect the craft. But how do you respect a craft vele ungayibizelwanga? It's another question leyo.
Yeah.
Because for some people it's just business.
Obviously.
Nothing more. Yeah.
Nkulunguze ukhuluma about church when we started. Take us there for a few minutes because that one because I connect this touch on that video.
Yeah, ngikuba mlifi.
You went.
Yeah, bengishaye trombone. And you know, I don't mean this in a disrespectful manner. I mean, yonke into we need not because sesikhulile we've grown out of certain things and then we start judging and whatnot. But nazo zibile nendima ezidlalile. What I learned a few things there that actually contributed towards the awakening yami. Okay. Some of the things that are being done there actually it's like ubungoma light. Okay. It's like ubungoma imets and then le sonto imets lit because all of these things so those things stem from into ubungoma because abangoma bafika nayo emasontweni that's babalekela amabhunu bebulawa.
Yeah.
So now people they're stuck kule yanto leyana but mina I was lucky enough to wake up from it to say no actually I don't need to go to church because this is a colonial system. My forefathers were killed were murdered for this thing. How can they give me a calling? What kind of a spirit is this? We tend not to interpret amaphupho. We need to interpret amaphupho ngokuqinisa ukuthi sometimes akusiyo yonke imimoya ezakithi kumele siphethe eminye we just need to redirect it to its origin. Ukuthi how can it be ukuthi umkhulu wami azongibizela la bekabulawa khona? What kind of a spirit is that?
Bekathukiwe abaleka. Yeah,
ngiyakuzwa. So I got to that point where I had that understanding and emini into yami yaba mnandi ngoba nangalesikhathi ngithabatha ikhoma zobugedla bengenza into esonto bengizenza so mangibheka ngapha ngithi hayi man into eyiwani le but manje la ngapha bayibeki ngoba uyona bayo but la ingobu yona bayo
and la ihamba ibe ne ceiling yak restrictor because akumelanga uphume ku system phela nayo le
yayibamba ifana nayo lento yabantu bathi baba ogedla ngoba bazi imithi they must stop bayeke lento le ugedla is far deeper than knowing imithi nobunyanga is far deeper than knowing imithi ubunyanga comprises isandla kahle kahle ubunyanga busezandleni yabona iminwe le E5 ubunyanga qala idlozi umuntu uzinhlonipho uzimfihlo gcina umuthi yonke lento le maseyifika la iba isandla sani sobunyanga kusho ukuthi sowuphethe ubunyanga wonke lama steps mawangekho zonke lezi zinto mazingekho kuwaka kabi inyanga so a person knowing ihlathi a person knowing ukuthi ini nani mayihlanganiswa kusho ukuthi unyanga no uyagunyazwa zonke iphiwo zomoya uyagunyazwa nasegedleni uyagunyazwa ukugedla ngokumthetho umuntu ophiwe isiphiwo namandla ukwazi ukuvusa into efiliphile abantu aba research imvelo yibo labantu bezizwe nokuthwalisa abantu abane depth bona imithetho yabo ayikho limited kakhulu bakwazi ukwenza noma yini because abagav ngicela ukuya la abogedla abahambi nedlozi abahambi nalento ekuthiwa idlozi angeke kunethongo kunedlozi abahambi nedlozi abogedla that's why bakwazi ukubulala abaphinde baphilise so umuntu othwasile bungoma waba nesikhwama sokugedla akabulali shuthi yena lokugedla umukela as a source of knowledge yani yemithi nezinye izinto angakwenza ukunye kuyilwela bethele nanani bathena akasabulali ngoba uhamba nani nalomoya ohlambulukile kuthiwa idlozi I had someone athi idlozi umoya ongcolile pho yini bathi singabulali mangabe ungcolile
and nalo why lingazwa nento ezingcolile if umoya ongcolile ngoba kube liwola yonke into lithamba ubulala bulela ubhidla bulala
in every generation there will always be those people who want imfihlo bungoma mabangayitholi bayakwata and then want to bash ubungoma bogada amazulu abhadi yilabo abahlulwe iphehlo they've always been there they've always existed what they do malibashayela iphehlo they create ama society wabo and try and create ubungoma light nyana babo to counteract ubungoma to speak ill of ubungoma they just trying to bazama ukuziconsole ukuthi lento ibahlulile abanye bangena emaphehlweni kwathi uphiwe wathi makafika wabona ukuthi lento ubungoma akusiyo lento ebengicabanga ukuthi iyo mase bashayile they create a society yabo ke there will always those people babe khona
mkhulu into somalini
like ukuthwasa
like because ukuthwasa because why I'm asking this people are going broke bayothatha ama loan ubangena ikweliti cabanga uphuma ephehlweni so blacklisted because you can't afford to pay ugobela wakho I need to understand because when wabantu abasajulile kulolu hambo ngokuya kwakho umuntu makazila zothwasa lama drastic measures lawa wama list
ngicaphula kabi lento le yama list and asikise ukungena emlomeni dadewethu kababa ngicaphula kokugcina because into ebhlungu ngabantu abakhipha ama list amakhulu angeke bona bathatha ingane yabo bayithwasisa kwenye inyanga ngiyazi ukuthi la omunye umuntu uzoyithatha ngathi ngikhuluma ngaye kanti angikhulumi ngamuntu ngikhuluma as a chairperson yemetho overlooka izinto ezenzakalayo ebunyangeni into yamalist abanye abantu bazi babulawa bayikhuluma lento le ezinye zezinto they just unnecessary we need to be able to minimize and cut ama costs okuthwasa but into engeke mina ngisho ukuthi abogobela abacharge emalini because ekugcineni we need to have an understanding mawuyothwasa nawe lapha kusesibhedlela enesibhedlela kunama cost wakhona and kufanele ukuthi nawo ahlonishwe ekugcineni nami ngubhila nkulu mangithwasisa umsebenzi wami lo yakho angiphiwanga ukusebenza belungu nami ekugcineni ingane zami ngiyafuna ukuthi ize esikoleni esi right ngiyafuna ukuthi ikhaya lami libe right nami nginama bills ekumele ngiwabhadala yipi source of income yami yiyo le but let's have a council let's have ama regulations whereby we say we can never charge and exceed imali engaka when it comes to inkomo yomuntu we can never list kube nezinto ezisone elistini yomuntu this is what's important this is how far we can actually go minimum is this maximum is this and then lapho izoba kahle when we regulate ukuthi how much is a minimum cost fee and the maximum fee ongayicharge you understand because I would be as much as ngithanda ukuthi into obungoma nobulaphi bendabuko ibe neqiniso but namfanele ngibe realistic we ourselves the reason why sehle isithunzi it's because sometimes abanye abantu I can't afford to do certain things people respect money out there nami sometimes I need ukuthi mangivela ngibonakala ngibe dignified ngiqoke ngibe muhle source of income yami yiwo lo msebenzi but how do I do it kahle that's why we form ama metho to say let's stop lezi zinto zabo operation Valindumba you can't even elokishini you can't angeke uliqede idrug ngokushaya abonyawuphi so now we're saying You have been punishing abangoma for wrongdoing, but have you uplifted them economically? No. Have you given them skills? No. What do we best do? We give these people, there's a lot of food to be eaten ebungomeni. There's no need for us ukuthi sonke sithwasise. There's no need for us sonke ukuthi silinda ama-patient endumbeni. That thing comes as a gift, and it's for very few people, masingaba honest. Bambalwa abantu abaphiwe lento ukuthi uzophila ngokuthi kungena abantu endumbeni kuwe. That's why abanye abantu bathatha inqumo namhlanje basazisola ngaso. So the easiest thing ukuthi let's come together, let's unite, let's uplift abalaphi bendabuko economically and skills wise. You will see zonke lezi zinto lezi zizophela. But if we go around and saying asivale indumba sishaye izangoma senzeni it's not going to end. Ngeke umkhuza umuntu olambile. Ifana nomuntu abantu laba abamba ama FG laba ucanga ukuthi abazi ukuthi bangabuya bangangabuyi. Indlala isiswa sikweledo. So mina angeke ngishaya belaphi, but I will say asibe nendlela nathi yokwazi ukuziprotect ukuze ekugcineni singenzi into ezirong ngenxa yendlala. That's where I stand mina nemetho, you know. Yeah.
Final question, Mkhulu, before we close up. Ngithwasile, the reason I'm going there, ngithwasile akungena abantu endumeni yami because wena ugobela akuza abantu endumeni yami. What is it then I can do to move forward? Or mhlambe mele ngibuyele emuva, maybe ugobela wami wrong, or anginasipho, or like mele nje sinabe nje kancane as umuntu othwasile. Mase ngithwasile, what must I expect after iphehlo?
Entwaseni nasekuthwaseni kwakho umuntu awuthwasi ngoba kukhona ukulindele. Uthwasa ngoba kunengulo yomoya yedlozi kuhlupha ke kufanele ilashwe. Into efanele siunderstand iqala mase ephehlweni suke solashwa ingulo kuqala. People think ephehlweni ila kuqala khona ubunyanga. No. That is actually la kuqala khona ijeni yakho towards whatever you are supposed to be. Ebungomeni kunabile, there is artistry, there is law enforcement, there is medicine, kune education, kuna majaji, kuna yonke lento. Ubungoma bu vast, you understand? Not everyone othwasile is supposed to be receiving ama patients endumbeni. Sometimes njoba ngichazile eqaleni ukuthi umlando wasekhaya mina weqiniso uthola ngokuthi mina ngize ngene esikhupheni. Sometimes umlando wasekhaya ulahlekile. Idlozi namathongo bakhetha umuntu ukuthi lo muntu lo akayothola imfihlo nezimpande zasebungomeni ukuze kuzokwembuleka la ekhaya ukuthi kahle kahle singabobani. There are a lot of people that I know who started knowing themselves after ukuthwasa. So ukuthwasa kwethu it's not always ukuthi fanele bomlapho endabuko. Phela sikhumbule lokulapha nakuhambiselana nani nesikhwama. Mangaba unikanga isikhwama uzolapha ngani? And isikhwama usinikwa ugobelo, unikwa abakini. And asithengwa. Wasithenga, you should know it comes with a sacrifice. You know. So into engayisho ukuthi umqondo wethu masingena entweni ebungoma akube ukuthi solapha ingulo kamoya first. And then secondly siyo embrace ubuthina bethu ngokuthi singabubani sidabuka kuphi qala. Bese mase singena endabeni zama patients, you need to give yourself at least 5 to 7 years.
Sure.
Uzithole ukuthi wena kahle kahle kulomkhakha uphiwe ini. There are people mhlambe bekane career yokucula before athwasa bengaflourish. Qala thwasa umuntu after thwasa iphimbo lakhe it's different now because selamba nenye power. Ulapha abantu ngokucula. Kunabantu masifika emgidini bonosizi ungazizwa kahle umbona shaya igijima mfana nje bese uyalapheka. So kulapha lokho it's not always ukuthi kufanele ukuthi sikulindele ukuthi kungena abantu. No. Let's be open-minded. Ubungoma it's not a religion. Ubungoma yinto yemvelo. Into yemvelo. Ubungoma abanye kuyabavumela ukuthi baqhubeke ngesikolo, abanye kuyabavumela ukuthi bavule amabhizinisi, abanye ubungoma nje bunabile. Ingakho singathwasa si10 senze into e1 but mase siphumile asifani. Nase sikolweni nje ngoba sonke si primary, high school sifunda into e1 sonke sifike ema university abanye bayele even e-university noma sithatha ama career afanayo or sinama degree afanayo uthola ukuthi asaphili ngaloko esikufundele. It's general lento lena sempilweni kukanjalo. So ebungomeni it's not ukuthi wena mangana mathwasa, and I hate this stigma ukuthi mawunamathwasa kusho ukuthi nobunyanga. I know a lot of people abanganabunyanga but banamathwasa amaningi. So people more than anything abanga focus eintweni abazibona ngokwenyama external of themselves. Lento ayiqale kuwe phakathi ube neqiniso kuwe kuqala. You can't give what you don't have. Uzoba lapha kanjani abantu wena ungabelwanga ukuthi kufanele ulapha abantu. You'll be depressed anyway. So umuntu akazinike man, give yourself time. At least 5 to 7 years. Uzithola ukuthi kulomkhakha wena ubani. That's why it's shocking umuntu lo muntu na 2-3 years athwasile. Sekadumile ukuthi uyathwalisa wenzani. Izinto you know like that discourage kakhulu because abantu bazibulalela igama even before they start because of the pressure ye social media. Ayikho into ethi ubhila ungcono ngoba ungenelwa abantu endumbeni. Kunabantu abaku medicine, kunabantu abaku education, kunabantu who are multi-millionaires today. Baqale bungomeni into zabo zavuleka, you know. Just find yourself. Just find yourself, and we need as abogobela sikhuza abantwana nge-content yokufundisa kuma social media when they're still immature.
Okay.
Into ekhoza idamage iyo leyo. Umntwana abanye abakaphumishe phesheni abanye abagezi ngisho idumane. Thokozani bogogo symptoms of ukuthwasa mawuphupha ukuthi like kanjani usho ukuthi toddler ingahamba yofundisa abantu ngeadolescence.
Yeah.
So
Sekunjalo manje.
It's a problem. So abantu bangazifakeli pressure man.
Okay.
Akusi competition. I think that's what I need to say. Akusi competition. Ukungena namathwasa etendeni akusho ukuthi you've made it.
Oh,
But that's the truth.
drops wine. Drops wine. Mkhulu. In closing, I just want you to speak to, I'm saying the family of Izangoma or Izangoma at large. What is that one thing that you would like to say as the chairperson also of Metro, yini into nje ofuna ukuyindlulisa nje ekuwe nje emoyeni?
Ya ngiyabonga ithuba lele bakwethu ngiyacela kini nonke balaphi bendabuko. Into oqala asibuyele emasisweni sifunde ukuyithanda. Sifunde inhlonipho nokuzazi ukuthi singabobani. Ekulapheni kwethu, ekubeni kwethu nobizo. Asingathatheli phasi lokho. Singacinzetelwa isystem njengabomkhulu bethu. Bafa bogogo nebomkhulu balwela lesiphiwo baze bangene inkonzweni bengafuni ukusiyekela. Sesikhululekile thina manje asingadlali ngaso. Babukile kithi ukuthi sizosithatha senzeni ngaso. Asisi embrace ngoba naso sizoba isibusiso kithi. Asihlonipheni kunyanga, sihlonipheni abantu abeza kithi endumbeni, siyekele ukuzi advertise njengabathakathi. Ngoba amanye ama judgment aphuma as a result of behavior yethu on social media. As understand ukuthi social media indawo lapho ekufanele ukuthi sizi express sibonisa ubuhle obulaphi bendabuko hayi ubuthakathi. Hlonipha abantu abahamba kuwe ngoba wena mawuzazisa njengomuntu obulala abantu onepo ngoba siki isipoko segundwane isipoko umuntu nizoboshwa balaphi. Wena ufuna uhloniphe ama patient wakho ukuthi na njengathi boBhilankulu abantu mabeza kithi bazosivakashela ezigodlweni zethu abachashi ngamabonda ngoba siyaziwa ukuthi siyelapha asithakatha abantu. Musani kuzazisa njengabathakathi ichilo lento leyo Thokozani.
Mkhulu, sikuthola kuphi on social media platforms?
TikTok.
Okay.
Facebook.
I'm handle wakathini.
TikTok Bhilankulu.
Okay.
Facebook Kululeko Bhila Vilakazi.
Okay, your numbers if bakufuna ukuza kuwabantu?
Can I not?
Okay. All right.
That one is.
Viewers at home, thank you so much for coming through today to enjoy this lovely episode of Thokoza Gogo podcast. We were joined by a very deep healer, or rather person who's walking in Bungoma, Umkhulu Bilankula. I have learned a lot, and I am sure I'm open to learning. We should have him again, actually, because the conversation is broader. I'm also looking forward to also understand more about Metro. Outside of that, I am healed. Baby girl, thank you so much for coming through. This episode was sponsored by AC Wines so that we enjoy this lovely conversation while sipping on something delightful. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave your comments down below, and like this video. From me to you, I will see you on the next video. Thokozani.